start again. It's a rich thing.
Lexus has received a few necessary updates, and now it is ready to compete well with the German mid-size luxury sedans like BMW 5 Series, Audi A6, and Mercedes-Benz E-Class. The welcome additions are worth 40,800 price tag, and it is still a bargain compared to some German competition. The ES has been a great sedan with different view of luxury and comfort. Like the previous model year, the powertrain options remain the same with a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder base engine and a 3.5-liter V6 and a hybrid setup. The interior sees a major update with a new 8-inch touchscreen operated infotainment screen, and it turned it towards the driver for added convenience. The ES 300H is available now with the F Sport grade, which has enhanced suspension and other sporty elements. In other words, the ES is a big comfy cruiser with all the luxury you need considering the sub 40,000 price tag. The ES 2022 is offered in 3 trims majorly: ES 250, ES 350, and ES 300H. Under H trim, there are about 4 sub-trims like Standard, Luxury, Ultra Luxury, and F Sport. All the main trims have different powertrain and drivetrain options, but share the same features under the sub-trims. The base ES 250 starts at 40,800 and packs least powerful engine in bunch, that is 2.5-liter naturally aspirated inline 4-cylinder with an all-wheel drive system as standard. The ES 350 comes next with a starting price similar to ES 250 but sports a bigger and more powerful 3.5-liter V6 with a front-wheel drive. The ES 300H is priced about 1,100 more than 250 and 350 and has a hybrid setup. The base trim features are all standard bits and are priced the lowest. All standard features are follow: 10-speaker Pioneer premium audio system, satellite radio, adaptive cruise control, electric power steering, rear view camera, leather steering wheel, 8-inch touchscreen infotainment display, 7-inch digital instrument console, 10-way power adjustable driver and front passenger seats, heated front seats, false leather seating, 7-inch alloy wheels. Lexus has received a few necessary updates, and now it is ready to compete well with the German mid-size luxury sedans like BMW 5 Series, Audi A6, and Mercedes-Benz E-Class. The welcome additions are worth 40,800 price tag, and it is still a bargain compared to some German competition.